In the magical kingdom of Everbright, Princess Aria was not like most princesses. While others enjoyed tea parties and fancy gowns, she loved painting. She could spend hours creating colorful worlds on her canvas. One rainy afternoon, while exploring the castle attic, she discovered an old wooden box covered in dust. Curious, she opened it and gasped. Inside lay a golden paintbrush, shimmering with magic. Suddenly, the paintbrush wiggled and spoke. "At last, an artist worthy of my magic," it said cheerfully. Aria's eyes widened. "Magic? What kind of magic?" "Whatever you paint will come to life," the paintbrush declared. Excited, Aria rushed to her art room. She painted a bright blue butterfly, and as soon as she lifted her brush, the butterfly fluttered off the canvas. Next, she painted a small puppy, which jumped out and wagged its tail. "This is amazing," she laughed. Then, an idea struck her. She would paint something big, a friendly dragon. With careful strokes, she created a green dragon with big round eyes and a goofy grin. But the moment she finished the last detail, roar! The dragon wiggled its nose, flapped its tiny wings, and zoomed around the room, knocking over paint cans. "Oh no! Slow down!" Aria cried. But the dragon was too excited. It burst out of the room, flying through the castle halls, causing chaos. It snatched the king's crown and plopped it onto its own head. "My royal crown!" King Rupert gasped. It stole pies from the royal kitchen, making Chef Pierre scream. "My beautiful pies! This is a disaster!" It slid down the grand staircase, making the guards tumble like dominoes. "Catch that dragon!" Sir Tumbles yelled, tripping over his own sword. Aria giggled but knew she had to stop the dragon before the castle became a playground forever. She grabbed the paintbrush. "Paintbrush, help! How do I fix this?" "If a painting made the problem, maybe a painting can fix it," it suggested. Thinking fast, Aria painted a giant, juicy apple. The dragon, suddenly hungry, zoomed toward it and took a big bite. Then, she painted a soft, fluffy cloud around the dragon. As soon as it touched the cloud, the dragon yawned, feeling sleepy. Finally, she painted a magical storybook, a place where the dragon could play without causing trouble. As soon as she finished, the dragon was magically pulled into the book, waving happily before disappearing into the pages. The castle was peaceful again. The king retrieved his crown, Chef Pierre rescued his pies, and the guards finally stood up straight. King Rupert smiled. "Aria, you saved the castle with your creativity." Aria grinned, hugging the paintbrush. "I'll be more careful with my paintings next time, maybe." She glanced at her easel and smirked. "Or maybe I'll just paint a candy castle."